guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are doing another dupe because it is April dupes, because a long time ago I thought April Fools, April dupes, how cute. None of these videos are sponsored. I have purchased all of this makeup and whatnot with my own money, so if you see a mini or a bundle or something like that, just know that's because we're trying to pinch our pennies. We're trying to make our pennies go further in this economy. In today's video though, I don't know if the dupe is discontinued or not, so I will try and figure that out. We are facing off the Physicians Formula, the Perfect Matcha 3-in-1 Melting Cleansing Balm, next to the Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Now, I don't know if the Physicians Formula Perfect Matcha 3-in-1 Cleansing Balm is discontinued. When you try to go onto the website of Physicians Formula and look for this, the page doesn't exist, but I found mine at CVS, and it still is available on like Amazon and CVS's website and things like that, so I'm unsure if this is discontinued or not. But the good news is that the market is filled with cleansing balms. The reason why I wanted to match the Farmacy and the Physicians Formula up is because I believe their textures are the same. So that's kind of what we're testing today, because I know a lot of people love the Farmacy Green Clean Cleansing Balm, but it is very expensive. So if we can find alternatives that have like the same texture and properties and qualities to it, then that would be amazing and we can save a couple bucks. But let's start with the Physicians Formula. Like I said, I got mine from CVS, and apparently the page for this does not exist on the Physicians Formula website anymore. I believe I paid around $14.99 for it. There isn't a whole lot online about it, so whatever the packaging says is what we're doing. It says, Ultra Gentle 3-in-1 Cleansing Balm that melts away makeup, deeply cleans away impurities, and leaves the skin fully supple and hydrated. Antioxidant packed and enriched with matcha green tea, bamboo shoots, and lotus extract. It only ever came in the Perfect Matcha scent, I guess, if you will, but it does have a little bit of a citrusy scent. What's nice is that it comes with its own little, like, scooper, so you can, like, scoop out some. Yeah, it doesn't really have, like, a heavy green tea scent or anything. It just kind of smells like a cleansing balm, like, very fresh. So yeah. That's the Physicians Formula, and again, this one has been on my radar, like this dupe has been on my radar for a really long time, but the problem is that I could never find it. You know, like it was always sold out, or it just wasn't stocked, or I could never find it, and then I just stumbled upon it the other day at CVS. So there you go. Next is the Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I got it in this little kit for like $27. It comes with the Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. And it's mainly because I've used the Green Clean before, and I am not necessarily the biggest fan, so I didn't want to get like a full one and then be kind of stuck with this full one. But anyways, it comes in multiple sizes. There is a 12 milliliter for $8, a 50 milliliter for $24, a 100 milliliter for $36, and a 200 milliliter, which is like a jug of it, for $65. This one is 20 milliliters or 0.7 fluid ounces. So a little bit bigger than the smallest that they have on their website. I do know that this like Green Clean formula does come in different scents. They have like a peach one or a strawberry one, a tropical one. They have all kinds of different scents out now. The Green Clean is just like the original. It does have like a fruity, citrusy sort of scent to it. And this one says, perfect for facial cleansing, makeup removal, our best-selling award-winning makeup removing balm and face cleanser in one that instantly melts virtually all makeup, removes impurities, and gently cleanses. Leaves skin hydrated and silky smooth, 100% recyclable jar. So we love that. I think that the only difference between this and the matcha are the ingredients that go into them. This one said it had antioxidants of matcha green tea, bamboo shoots, and lotus extract. This one gently exfoliates as well with papaya extracts that help to retexture your skin and reveal a youthful glow. So just like, if that matters to you. Both of them I believe you use on the same way. Massage onto dry skin, rinse off with a damp washcloth. So that's what we're going to do. If you are familiar or unfamiliar with how I do dupes, I tried to test them side by side. So today we are going to use the Farmacy Green Clean on this side of my face, and we'll use the Physicians Formula The Perfect Matcha on this side of my face. And then we have some warm water and a towel to wash it away. Something that I will say, if you are a contact wearer, be careful around the eyes. Not that you can't use this around your eyes. I mean, I feel like you can. But sometimes when you rub it around your eyes, the like balm will get into your eyes and it'll like mess up your contacts. So just be aware. So first we're gonna take some Physicians Formula. Then we're gonna take some Green Clean. They have very similar textures. I will say that I think that the Physicians Formula, I don't know if you can see that, I do think that the Physicians Formula is a little bit smoother right out of the jar. So let's remove the makeup and see where we're at. We'll take a little bit of water to emulsify, and then we'll wipe it off. And try not to get water everywhere. They both are doing a very good job of removing my mascara. I, unfortunately, am just doing a terrible job of rubbing it off. Okay, so this is the washcloth after taking all of my makeup off. Definitely did a very good job of removing my makeup and like, especially my eye makeup and my mascara. I did, however, get water everywhere, so that is unfortunate. I feel like in terms of texture of these cleansing balms, they're very, very similar. And I don't think I found a lot of similar cleansing balms to the Green Clean Farmacy, especially in drugstore. A lot of them have a much thicker, like waxier texture to them, or some of them are a little bit more on like the soft side. Or even in high-end, I feel like I've tried the Elemis cleansing balm, and that isn't very like thick like the Farmacy Green Clean. That's very like jelly almost. So in terms of texture, these Physicians Formula Perfect Matcha and the Farmacy Green Clean are very similar. In terms of scent, no, this has a very like spa fresh scent to it, and the Green Clean has a very like fruity scent, like papaya scent to it, like citrusy almost. But in terms of their cleaning abilities, I feel like they both did like a very good job. Both sides of my face feel very soft, and I feel like it got off like a lot of the makeup, which I feel like cleansing balms, if you're unfamiliar, are like the first cleanse. You cleanse with a cleansing balm first, and then you go in with like an actual cleanser to get the other little bits off of your face. And I feel like they both did a really good job. So what would the savings be on this for like the regular size, not the jumbo size? $24, so you're thinking, what, a $10 savings for a 50 milliliter or a $22 savings for 100 milliliters. And I feel like the 50 to 100 are like the normal sizes for this. This matcha, Perfect Matcha, is 40 grams. So I don't know how much that is in milliliters. So the 100 milliliters is 3.4 fluid ounces. This is 1.4 fluid ounces. Reload. Which means the 50 milliliter, which would be similar to this size, the 1.7 fluid ounces, yeah. So you're saving about $10 if you can find the Physicians Formula Matcha compared to the Farmacy Green Clean, which is a decent savings, honestly, especially if you're a heavy makeup wearer and it's something you're doing every single day. And also if your face is sensitive to like AHAs or like that gentle exfoliation, that like chemical exfoliation, I feel like that's something that Farmacy isn't, especially with like these Green Clean or like the Green Clean line, is like it has like AHAs in it, and that gentle exfoliation is like a chemical exfoliation, not a physical exfoliation, that not everybody's skin can handle daily. And or you're using other serums that don't mix with that like chemical exfoliation. So if you could find it, the Physicians Formula Perfect Matcha is like a very good texture and feel dupe if the Green Clean is something that you're familiar with. Just saying. I will link both of these down in the description box below. Have you tried the Physicians Formula, the Perfect Matcha? Where do you buy it? Or have you tried the Farmacy Green Clean? Do you have any other dupes that match it in your opinion? Let's start a conversation down in the comment section below. I will try my best to link these down in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.